Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to add themes to your book on the Novelist application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and if you want to add themes to your book, just select the book, click to the three dots. You can find the first button, the edit. Click to the book, and here you can find different options at the left bar. You can find the plot, the write, the organize, or the schedule. Actually use the plot option, and in the upper bar you can find the theme option. Click to the next plus icon, and here you can add the title with that, and if you finish, click to the save button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.